So guys, here's the insta360 X3 with a creator kit. So let's see what we get inside in this box. Pretty box. All the information is written. So let's unbox this and get to know what we get. So it comes with this type of packing. Let's keep this aside. And let's see. Okay guys, the packing is also inside. We get multiple things. The main module is with this packing, comes with this insta360 and this camera. Let's put it aside. Also comes with the sticky lens guard. This is a sticky lens guard. Let's see how it works. This is the battery for the X3, extra battery I guess. And this is the tripod, or what you say, the stick, bullet time bundle. So this is the one. So let's unbox one by one and I will show you what all these things are. So guys, let's keep this box aside and start unboxing one by one. Let's keep it aside. Now first comes the main module. Let's unbox it guys. Let me see where can I tear it from. So this is what I want to do. So let's see. Is there any shield? No. So guys, here is the main module. So you can see this is the insta360 X3. The latest model is X4, by the way. This is the last generation model. This is X3. So let's put it in there. Let's see what other item that we get. The box is pretty good. Let's pull this out and see what we get. Guys, this is the Type-C to USB cable, and here is the pouch for it. No extra batteries or all. These all are the manuals, and I think this is the sticker for insta360. So let's keep this aside for now. Let's unbox other item that comes on the creator kit. This is the main module guys. This is the main module. As you can see, it looks pretty good with a pretty good weight too. Let's keep this box also aside. Start unboxing this battery. Guys, so this is the battery module, or what is this? I don't know guys, I'm a bit confused right now. Okay, right, this is the battery, extra battery that we get, and it got a good case also, nice case. So this is the one, or the next last thing that is this. I think we will directly put it. I cannot. Guys, the glue quality is damn good. And here we go. Okay, you can see front and back written in there. So 2 lens guard. This is the most needed thing I think for insta360. I have seen many other insta users that have just broken their lens, so this is the most thing you can go for. So this is all guys. One, this pouch which comes with the camera module itself, and oh guys, last thing, the stick. Let's unbox this also. Guys, it seems to be in a nice packing. So this is it. Anything else? No, nothing. This is what we get. Insta360 invisible stick. I don't know how to pull this. I will just see and let you guys know later on. I think I need to push this. No guys, I don't know how to use. I will just learn it. So another thing is this, the tripod stand, and this rotates, guys. I think I have seen some videos doing this. I think this is most usable in that case. So that's it for this all thing, creator kit. This is all that we get. So one by one I will show you. This is all the thing that you get in a creator kit. One, this is the main module, this is the camera, second charging cable, this is pouch, and this is the battery with the lens protector, and these two things, invisible sticks, and the tripod also, or what you said, I don't know. We will just use in daily life and give you the review. So I will let you know in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.